So I am out here today on a farm pond and I'm really cold. It's been raining. I can't feel my fingers. It's 41 degrees and windy, so I can't get off this bank. I guess I might as well be bank fishing. But I'm rigging up now. Just a jig. I'm just gonna do a bright color jig, some bright color jigs I should say. I have a really bright yellow jig head. It's a 16th ounce. This time of year I don't go too deep, just because the farm pond, it's so shallow. I don't want to be getting caught on stuff the whole time. And then I am going to use a Crappie nibble because I just love those. And I think, so I'm just trying to look at the size on what I want to use here. I am going to try my no fail just to get started, see what happens. These are the ShadPole curly tails, Mr. Crappie by Strike King, and I just like how chunky they are, and I have yet for them to fail me, and I've already said that before and they didn't, so I'm not jinxing myself. Ooh. And if you guys didn't know, the proper way to rig like a squirm and grub, the tail needs to be going the opposite way of the hook for the most action. I mean, of course you could do it the other way, but a lot more action if you make sure that the tail is going the opposite way of the hook. Now this is a pretty big hook for this. I mean, ideally the hook should come out the end, but I'm just gonna try this and see what happens. Make sure I get some smell, scent, flavor on there. The sparkle nibbles for crappie. They're stanky. They stink. But that's the point, so. All right, this is what she looks like. I hope you can see that. Let me see. I should probably do this side. All right, I'm gonna get off the bank. I mean, technically I may still be bank fishing if I'm pushed on the bank with wind, but at least all my stuff's in one spot and I don't have to lug it around the pond. Son of a gun. Well, I caught my cord, my kayak cord. Looks good. Hope the fish sinks soon. My fingers are on fire. Or like burning. Come on. Come on. Fish on. Yes. Crappie. Yay. Ouch. Sorry. Open your bail. I can't feel my fingers. Okay. Sorry, crops. Yay! Woohoo! Okay. Let's do that again. It's so weird. It's like it just got 10 degrees warmer when I caught a fish. Ooh. my no-fail Crappie strike, Mr. Crappie Strike King ShadPole. Still a no-fail, even on a day like today. Telling y'all, you gotta get you some of those. I'll put the link on my description. And the Crappie Nibbles. It's like they just can't resist them. Fish on. Oh my gosh. What is this? Woo, a bass. Not too shabby. Yay. Woohoo. Oh gosh, sorry. Okay. Well, that was good. These things catch bass too. Fish on. Stop jumping. Another bass. Woohoo! Say yee yee. Gosh. Yay! So today was definitely the coldest day for me this year, but I was still happy with the results, to say the least. I think it's safe to say that the Mr. Crappie ShadPoles and Crappie Nibbles are worth the try on a cold day. Not only did it catch me a crappie, but the bass were definitely a bonus as well. Thank you all for staying with me on this journey. I still have a few weeks of decent fishing weather, but wanted to just let everyone know I do have a plan to keep content coming throughout the winter months. So stay with me as long as you are enjoying the content. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me to keep putting in the work because those numbers kind of show me that you like what you're seeing. Have an awesome week and tight lines. I'm not dead. Quit checking it out.